All no-corrode products are applied and used in the same manner. Begin by cutting your pipe into the desired length. Deburr the fitting to remove any copper debris. Sand it down with sandpaper. Apply the flux to the end of the pipe. Make sure to apply flux to the female ends of your fittings also. Attach them together and wipe off any excess flux. A rule of thumb is match the length of the solder to the diameter of your pipes. Make sure to focus the heat on the fitting and not the pipe. Apply the correct amount of solder to each area you want to join. Let it cool down naturally or wipe with a wet rag and wipe off the excess flux.